Hello my friends, today I want to show you my Victorinox Huntsman Niklaus van Flüe. It's a special edition Huntsman from Victorinox from 2016 I think. It was a Christmas present to the employees of Victorinox, and here you can read a sentence. I think it's a sentence of Niklaus von Flüe, and here you can see it's a Huntsman with the opener tools, the saw, scissors and the blades. On the main blade it's Christmas 2017. Niklaus von Flüe. Yes, and the back it's the normal wood scales with a sign of Victorinox made by a laser, I think. No numbers here, but it's a special edition. Yes, this was my Niklaus von Flüe Huntsman. I hope you enjoy this short video and keep on watching.